Mr. Athreya here.
Hey everyone, this is Athreya. I have around 18 plus years experience in the industry. I am one of the co-founders and I lead technology for Rapider Cloud Solutions, and I'm also one of the founder for Cloudeva.ai.
And yeah, let's not dive directly. I got fantasized with the name Cloudeva. How did you come up with the name?
Okay. So the product that we were visualizing was solving cloud problems, and having run Rapider for 9 years now and we are 400 people strong, we always felt that there is an area that in cloud that is a problem, there is a white space which people are not able to understand why the change happened, why the cost got increased, why the security issues got increased, etc. So as part of that, when we were having that problem in Rapider, we decided to create a platform using AI, which will explain what changes happened, verify why it happened, and also advise if we can solve that through the platform that we are trying to build. That's how Cloudeva came.
Okay.
So that is the secret behind it. And also because we are leveraging AI there, it is Cloudeva.ai. That's the thing
that's very creative, I would say.
Yeah.
And what actually it solves in the industry?
So as I told, there are many people are using cloud right now. So you need not educate people whether they want cloud or not. The main issue that has become now is the governance part around it. So there are many people who are using cloud in the way they want. And because the number of changes are going on and there are human changes, there are auto changes that are happening because of scripts. And now agentic coming in, there are a lot of tools which are changing the cloud or deployments that is happening through agents. So we thought governance is an area that will gain traction as we go ahead. And that is the focus area that we are building, which we are building a platform which will create signals out of all the activities that has happened, clear out all the noise, but focus only on the decisions that needs to be made, and then focus on the outcomes which can help them to absolutely focus on areas that they want to focus on, but clear out the noise. That's what we are trying to do in Cloudeva.
So how do you see AI evolving in the society?
I was talking to somebody and I believe the kind of solutions which are coming around and the kind of adoption which is going around, the way mobile adoption has increased in India, I think AI adoption will impose itself on people. I'm sure all of us will adopt AI in some way or the other.
I mean, more people are already adopting by creating images and videos of all political
So if you're
leaders.
using iPhone, you're already using AI.
Yeah.
If you're using Samsung, you're already using AI. More for generative things. But I think as we move ahead, it will influence the mainstream applications that we are using in day-to-day activities, whether it is business applications, whether it is the productivity improvement tools that are there. I think AI is going to have its influence everywhere. Now, what we can do, I think I'm hearing different school of thoughts coming everywhere, but I believe if all of us have to change the way we are looking at things that we are doing today, with adoption of AI, how can we make it better? And intelligence doesn't go anywhere from humans. So we'll have to kind of figure out a way how to use AI effectively to improve what we are trying to do. And that is going to stay forever. That's what I believe.
Perfect. I mean, the point which you made that we are using AI in a generative way.
Yep.
But mostly we have to use it in development.
Correct.
Right now, Indians should pivot because we, as a large populated country, we fantasize to what we see and for example, if I see a person creating an AI image or video, I wanted to create an image or video, but most of the people don't think like I need to see what is behind the tech.
Yeah.
That we need to get adopted to more, I guess.
Definitely. So I think that's where even in Cloudeva, whatever we are developing, there is a component that we are in the roadmap to act as well. So that will use agentic capabilities or AI capabilities there. Now, currently we want to, it's a different proposition that we are building right now. Governance is not an area everybody are into. So it's very important that we use AI to give them the insights and then later to act as well. As you told, I think all of us need to adopt AI in some way or the other. Developers definitely have to adopt. I think, to be very frank, 70% of the code that everybody is writing today are already using AI.
Yeah.
And things will only evolve. We are just scratching the surface right now. It will definitely improve. And I'm crazy about it.
Everybody does.
Yeah.
And like mostly people in 2000s, it was like internet is coming.
Yeah.
So there might be a lot of job, people might get fired and everything. But to the surprise, yes, people got fired.
Yeah.
But it got evolved and increased.
Exactly.
Right now, I am also seeing the same pace that it will have the dip, but the the opportunities with AI will be enormous.
Yeah, absolutely.
How exactly that is relatable to Cloudeva? Like,
so
how do you get people in the team with AI?
So the way we are doing interview process has changed, whether it is for Rapider or for Cloudeva. Before, if you are leveraging AI, it would not be so good. That means you don't have the capability to code. Now, if you're not using AI, you will not be in the team. So I think the focus is shifting to why are you using AI versus it. Now it is like, why are you not using AI? Because that's where the productivity comes in as well. So that's where we are all going towards. But it's important to not take away the intelligent fact on how do you use AI to do certain things as well. So that is something that will continue to stay, and people have to adapt. And I'm sure whatever you told, like the way internet revolutionized things, like the way mobile revolutionized things,
now
AI will revolutionize things. People who are not adapting will suffer. People who adapt, I'm sure, will reach greater heights.
Understood. So to end this conversation, what could be the two-liner to your product to say to audience? Just two liners that will tell about your product.
I'll talk only two lines there. One is, if you have a multi-cloud offering that you have and you need a single governance layer on the cloud, Cloudeva is the place to go. Second, if you need sharper, smarter, and certain about the decisions that you want to take, Cloudeva is the place to go.
Yeah, compliant of AI.
Yep.
Technically.